Good morning, 7th graders. So what is our project for today, Wednesday, September 25th? Well, let's find out. So we have here today's Schoology page open, History, Wednesday, September 25th. We have our objective. You can read that in our learning target. You can go ahead and read that too. Here's our meat and potatoes, the plan of the day. So let's go through that. So number 1, create a Google Slide project to focus on 10.4. Okay. Number 2, use your chapter 10.4 notes that you did yesterday and the reading from Discovery Ed to gather 8 main points for the particular topic from 10.4 you're going to choose. So if you click on this link, it will take you to the Discovery Ed page right over here. All 8 pages of that to help you gather information. So let's go back to Schoology page. So you will gather 8 main points. And number 3, create a 4-slide presentation. Okay, here's the meat and potatoes of what you're going to do. You're going to have a title page. Make sure the title relates to what we're covering. So choose a topic from 10.4. Slide 2, first 4 main points. Slide 3, the second 4 main points. And then finally, your 4th slide will be your conclusion. And then about 30 words, tell me what you think were the most important facts. I have one more link right here. We'll take you to the Google Slide template, so you can choose a template in here to create your 4-slide presentation. So let's go back to Schoology. So there we have it. So go ahead and create that. If you have any questions, please let me know. I want to be here to help you. So we'll see you soon. I hope that you have an awesome day and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.